Good morning, everybody. Pierre, what are you doing today?
This morning we picked up some more free pallets and we're going to transform this one into the platform of a shower. We got several of these, one for an outdoor shower, and we're also going to make an indoor shower with this one to try because I like the feeling of the wood. It should be nice. We'll see how it turns out. So now I'm just going to remove each of these boards. And now wood is expensive, so this is a great source for free wood. So it just takes a minute.
Wow, it's amazing.
And you have these wonderful, nice boards to use.
We will see.
Okay.
Good project. Enjoy.
See you later.